CNC machining and manual machining are important manufacturing methods. This video highlights the benefits and drawbacks of each approach. CNC machining offers speed, effectiveness, and precision, making it perfect for large volume productions. Manual machining supplies flexibility and customization, ideal for smaller volumes and prototypes. However, manual machining is slower and can have greater labor expenses. Understanding these distinctions is vital for services to make educated decisions. Segment 1. Exploring CNC machining. CNC machining is a production procedure that employs computer-controlled devices to produce precise parts and parts. The makers perform operations like cutting, shaping, and drilling based upon set instructions, ensuring high accuracy and consistency. This level of accuracy is important for industries such as aerospace and medical that require tight tolerances. CNC machining improves performance by automating manufacturing procedures. When the program is established, makers can operate constantly without human intervention. This minimizes the threat of errors and minimizes production time. Another benefit of CNC machining is prospective cost savings in labor, as the makers can run 24/7. Successful real-life case studies consist of an automotive manufacturer that utilized CNC machining to produce complex engine parts, leading to enhanced performance and reliability, and an electronic devices producer that utilized CNC machining to create accurate circuit boards, leading to boosted performance and minimized item failures. CNC machining also provides scalability, making it ideal for services aiming to expand. Efficiently managing big production runs makes it possible for companies to fulfill increased demand and fulfill orders quickly, contributing to overall success. Segment 2. Understanding manual machining. Manual machining is a hands-on production procedure where knowledgeable operators utilize machines and tools to shape and create parts. Unlike CNC machining, manual machining offers versatility for style modifications and is economical for low-volume productions. Skilled operators have a high level of control, enabling precision and modification alternatives. Real-life examples consist of customized furnishings makers and metalworkers producing unique and detailed elements. The ability and workmanship of operators play a crucial role in manual machining, making sure high-quality results. While CNC machining is more effective for large-scale production, manual machining remains valuable for specialized and custom-made production requirements. Segment 3. Considerations for choosing the right method. When deciding in between CNC machining and manual machining for a job, numerous essential aspects need to be considered. These factors include task scope and volume, accuracy requirements, budget, timeline, and other pertinent factors to consider. Project scope and volume are critical factors to examine. For massive productions with high volume requirements, CNC machining may be the most efficient choice due to its automation abilities and ability to deal with repeated tasks. On the other hand, for small or customized projects with frequent style changes, manual machining uses higher flexibility. Precision requirements need to also be taken into consideration. CNC machining masters achieving high accuracy consistently, making it appropriate for industries that require tight tolerances. Nevertheless, manual machining enables knowledgeable operators to make modifications and produce complex designs that may not be practical with CNC makers. Budget and timeline factors to consider play a significant function too. CNC makers need a higher in advance financial investment, including the purchase of the makers and the advancement of computer system programs. Manual machining, on the other hand, might have lower preliminary expenses, however greater labor expenditures with time. The task timeline must likewise be considered, as CNC machining can use faster turnaround times compared to manual machining. To examine which approach is most suitable for specific company requirements, an extensive assessment is needed. A careful factor to consider of job requirements, budget restraints, accuracy demands, and timeline expectations is crucial. Consulting with specialists in machining and checking out case studies of similar tasks can likewise provide insights and assistance in making the ideal choice. Segment 4. A look at CNC machining in action. A virtual tour of a CNC machining center provides important insights into how these devices run and the equipment and tools associated with the procedure. CNC facilities are equipped with sophisticated technology, including various CNC makers and other automatic equipment that can produce high-quality components quickly and efficiently. During the tour, audiences can observe the devices in action, producing detailed parts with severe accuracy. The trip can display the several actions needed to machine a part, including developing and configuring using specialized software, testing models, and producing the final product. The tour can likewise discuss how operators establish the machines and the significance of using the right tools and products. Workers, including CNC operators, can share their proficiency and experience in using the devices and provide insight into the advantages and restrictions of CNC machining. Through interviews, viewers can find out about how the makers run and the training and ability required to operate them successfully. Thank you for watching. If you are interested, you can like and subscribe to our channel.